to eSpectrum online channel for learning. This is our session 2 on Introduction to Python Programming.
The agenda of the program that we will be discussing is as we will begin with the Python, difference between program and script language, history of Python, who are using Python, why should we use Python, what can I do with the Python, how to install the Python IDE, some sample program running, and how to execute the. Okay, so what is a Python basically? It is a general purpose programming language that is often applied in scripting roles. So Python is a programming language as well as a scripting language. What is the difference between programming language and scripting language? That we will discuss immediately after this. Python is also called a interpreted. Now what is the difference between program and scripting language? So what is a program? A program is executed. That is, for a particular application, I write some code, I compile it, and the result of the compilation is as per the expected. So a program is generally a sequence of instructions written so that a computer can perform certain tasks. Like, take an example of calculator. It is basically a program. It is doing the operation of arithmetical operations. So if I give 4 plus 3 and I press equal to, I get a result for addition of two numbers. Likewise. So what is a scripting language? A script is interpreted. A script is code written in scripting language to the picture. The main difference. Just remember this much, it is sufficient. So when Python started, so it was invented in Netherlands in early 90s by Geo van Rossum. Python got his name from not from the snake but from the Monty Python's Flying Circus, a favorite comedy series of Geo van Rossum, a creator of the Python. As it started from the beginning itself, Python is open source from the start. So this figure. What is the. So you can use Python in many applications in science, in bioinformatics, in hospitals, the examples that we have seen. It may be used for system administration. It can be used for development of operating systems, web logic, web sphere, or web application development. It can be used like CGI, then Jython, that is Java plus Python, and servlets, where Python is being used nowadays, and testing scripts. So why do people use Python? It is fastly developing. We have seen in the survey also that in currently 2020, many platforms are using now Python. It is easily compatible with the others. Then the library support which is given by the Python is very well. Extensive library support is available. When I write a program of only few lines, application gets developed. It is object oriented language. It is extensible, and most important advantage that we have is it is free and easy to use. That is why people are. Now who are using the Python today? It is being applied in each and every instance in the nowadays, where Google makes extensive use of Python in its web search system and employs Python creator. Intel, Cisco, Hewlett Packard, all are using the Python for hardware testing. ESRI uses Python as end user customization tool for its popular GIS mapping products. Also, we know we always search on the Google the different YouTubes. So the YouTube video sharing service is largely written in the Python. What can we do with the Python? We can do system programming, graphical user interface, we can involve different interfaces we can have in real-time applications. Internet scripting also we can do. Python also supports IoT based applications, component integration. If I have a huge database to be handled, database programming can also be done in Python. So limit, there is no limit. Gaming, image related applications, XML, robotics, and many more can be Python. Now, how to install the Python? Basically, Python comes as pre-installed on most Unix systems, including Linux and Mac OS systems. But if we want to use it with the help of Windows operating system, we have to download from official website www.python.org/downloads. From this above link, I should download the latest version of the Python. Open this website. It will look like this. So in the download section, go to Windows. You will get the download for the Windows. The latest is Python 3.8.2. So when I downloaded 3.7. So in the start menu of Windows, it will be appearing as Python 3.7. I will get integrated development IDE for the same. I get command prompt of the same, and other supporting modules will be installed and will be seen in the start. How to write a small program? Basically, Python is an interpreter. So you can give a command you can write the instructions commands at command prompt itself. So one most important command which is being used repeatedly for displaying the results, like we used it in C++, print. Here also the command is print, brackets, double quotes, whatever you want to print, string, text you will be giving inside. So what will the output for the same? You will get it as printed as hello world. Now suppose if I have variable x, I assign a value is equal to 20, and if I want to print or display the value of x, I will only say print x, and this is the output that you will be getting as output. So this is a simple small program in Python, we can say, which you can run at the interpreter level, that is command. If I don't want to use this, download and then install and then execute the programs, there is online support for the Pythons for small code developments and debugging. You can go for v3schools.com/python introduction ASP. Very much a very easy tool. When you will open the website, it will look like this. Then there are ample amount of examples given. You can click on any icon, you will be getting the corresponding window opened. Now here we will take the same example of print. If I want to display hello world onto the screen, so if I click try it yourself, windows will be opened in front of me. Now on the left hand side window, I am supposed to type the program or the code, and when you will press the run button, the output will be displayed on the right hand side, that is in the black window. So white window on the left hand side is used for coding, and the black window will be used for displaying the results. So here I initially had two statements in the print, that is hello world, and this is my first program. His is my first program. Then I have entered one more line, that is print done, and when I press run, printf statement done will be displayed in the window. Example, we will see that first is as usual hello world. Now I am taking two variables, x is equal to 2 randomly, y is equal to 3, and I am doing z is equal to x plus y. And if I say print z, I will be getting the output as hello world will be my first character display, and then I will be displaying the result of addition. That's all. This completes our second session of the Python. Thank you.
Thanks for watching video. Please like, subscribe my channel. For further notifications, click on bell icon. If you like my videos, share with your friends. Python installation official website link I have given in my description box. Thank you.